Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. So today we have a collection of locks sent to me by the LockPickingLawyer. Nice additions to my collection. We have the Sesame 900 series aluminium, which is effectively a copy of the American Lock 1100, which I've now finally got one. Master number 27, 50mm laminated padlock with a removable core. Should be interesting. The extremely heavy ABUS 3455. You've probably seen these on other people's videos before, New York City Housing Authority ones. This one's probably going to have to wait a while, as it's a number 10. Let's see how it goes. And finally, the one I've decided to pick today, Brinks 612, because I do love a bit of brass. Just love the proportions of it. Same size as the American 1100, but just a bit heavier and a bit chunkier because of the weight. So let's get this lot out of the way. I'll stick this in the vise. And let's see how we get on. That should do nicely there. I've had a look at this before to work out what to actually use on it. So we've got the 1.2mm straight Mad Bob's tension wrench and my homemade 19mm copy of Mad Bob's curved reach. So let's see how we get on in here. Alright, I'm starting at the back. Let's just swivel that fraction. That's better. Right, tiny little click out of 5. Nothing really on 4. 3. Tiny click on 2 and a very, very slight movement on the core. 1. Right, got a full set going on now from 1. 5. 4. Little click, but nothing else. And we've got counter rotation on 4. Oh, that feels set, but we've lost the full set. 3, click, and another one, and we've got a full set back again. 1, we've got quite a nice deep full set now. So 5, nothing. 4, 3, 2, try and get one probably behind the tension wrench. Nothing. Everything's solid. Nothing on 2. 5, 4, 3. Alright, counter rotation on 2. 2. 4, 3, 2, right, counter rotation on 1, and there we go, open. So it took a little while. Let's get the vice out of the way. So there we go. Right, I never showed you the bitting on the key to start with. So not too bad. Let's adjust the camera slightly. Show it does all work. Right, screwdriver. Oh. Then might need a bigger screwdriver. That feels like it's Loctited in. Oh, that is tight. There we go. So a nice anti-bypass shim on the back. And yeah, I thought as much. 5 6-pin core with only 5 populated. Let's see if we can get this. Push this round, there we go. Stick the key in, hopefully this follower will work. Yep. Let's see what we've got inside this one. So number 1, serrated. Number 2, serrated. Number 3, serrated. Number 4, serrated. And number 5, serrated. Quite nice looking pins. Nothing really in there. Right, let's have a look up in here. Tweezers over there. Starting at the front. We have a spool. Number 2 is serrated. Number 3 is a spool with serrations, I think. Number 4, same again. Number 5, same again. Can't see anything in there. So let's have a quick look at these pins. Let me just... Yep. So we have on the bottom, they're all serrated, and on the top all the spools I think, apart from possibly number 4. I think that has as well. They're all spools with serrations, and are serrated in number 2. Anyway, that was the Brinks 612. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.